This week have been a massive upgrade for the AI industry, and there have been a lot of new changes coming up in the past 7 days. And in this video, I'm going to share with you what are the things that happen so you can keep yourself updated with this. So without any further ado, subscribe to this channel and let's just start with it. First, we are starting up with Google, and Google has released some of the massive upgrades in the last week itself. Google launches Gemini 3, which is their major upgrade to Google's multimodal AI, boosting reasoning, memory, and long horizon task performance. They also upgraded its features, and with that they also introduced agent mode in Gemini 3, which lets Gemini automatically plan, execute, and complete multi-step tasks like a true agent. And with that, Google also released Antigravity, which is the AI-powered IDE. It basically allows you to code without knowing code. You just ask it and the agent does the coding for you. It's as simple as that. The fourth major upgrade from Google is Nano Banana Pro. Nano Banana was already powerful and capable, but with its Pro version and powered with Gemini 3, this is going to be very massive upgrade because it unlocks new creative intelligence. And now with the help of Gemini, Nano Banana Pro can create complex diagrams, infographics, and style text instantly. And no tool was able to create the text properly, but now this one does the job pretty well. Next up, we have major collaborations, and one of the biggest collaborations we had in AI industry was of Microsoft, Anthropic, and Nvidia. These three guys collaborated and now they are building stuff together. It was a three-way partnership, and with that, Anthropic became the first one to be available on all three major cloud services. Everyone is leaning towards AI agents, and Microsoft is also not falling behind. They integrated AI agents straight into your Windows taskbar. That means now you'll be able to execute AI agents straight from your Windows taskbar just at your command. And with that, they're also integrating AI agents into their most popular applications, namely Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Meaning now you can create your entire documents, presentations, or spreadsheets just by writing the simple prompt or command. Microsoft also launches Agent 365 for unified agent management. It's a new platform for companies to deploy, monitor, govern, and control all the AI agents in one spot. When it comes to AI, Elon is also not backing up, so XAI launches Grok 4.1 across all platforms. The latest Grok model rolls out globally with improved reasoning, faster responses, and better multimodal skills. Next is Meta's SAM 3, which is segment anything model. It basically allows you to segment anything from the video or images, and the newest version offers sharper segmentations across images and videos using both text and visual prompts. And with that, they launches SAM 3D, which transforms 2D images into detailed 3D reconstructions of objects and humans instantly. I'm gonna test all of this, so if you wanna check it out, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Next, we have OpenAI. OpenAI launches GPT5.1 Codex Max, a high-power coding model built for complex engineering tasks, long sessions, and agent-driven automations. So they are also focused on the agent-based coding, and they will be rolling out something new cool sooner. OpenAI also rolls out group chat in ChatGPT, which means users can now collaborate with multiple people and multiple AI agents inside a shared chat space. Next up, if we talk about AI-based browsing, then Perplexity launches Comet for Android users, and Google has now integrated their AI mode straight up into Google Chrome. So now you can access Google's AI feature directly from Chrome itself. Next up is ElevenLabs. It's very popular when it comes to audio cloning, but now they're also leaning towards AI image and video generation because they also want to be on the multimodal side, and so they integrated it straight into ElevenLab Studio, using which you can create AI-based videos and images straight in the ElevenLab itself. So everyone wants to be multimodal now. And that's it. This was all major updates from the last week. Let me know if I missed anything, drop a comment and leave a like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.